So it's time for a change. It's time to go away from the Fronius Magicwave 230i. Now I will tell you, the length of time that I've had this thing, it's worked extremely well. I mean, I welded basically the entire chassis for the bibster, all the turbo work for the bibster, did a bunch of aluminum welding on the fuel cell on the bibster, welded all the twin turbo stuff up for the Goose. Some of the aluminum welding on that thing as well. And then of course, the COVID coupe. So all the TIG welding the COVID coupe had was done with this machine right here. And that's not counting all of the other projects that I welded together with this TIG welder right here, including Black Pearl. I think even I used the Fronius Magicwave on Crown Spoil. A bunch of little projects around the shop. I think I welded one of my welding tables together with it. Brackets, doodads, all kinds of stuff. This machine has some serious miles on it, and it's time to make a change. So, let me show you what I got. I mean, of course, another Fronius machine, right? It's like the exact same thing, but it's not. So this bad boy is the iWave. It's the newest rendition of the Magicwave. The Magicwave is no longer made. The iWave is the new machine. This is an AC/DC machine. You can also get it in just DC. As far as how it looks on the outside and the screen usage and stuff, it's very, very similar with some upgrades. Let's get this bad boy mounted up to the cart, fire it up, kind of check it out. All right, I think she's ready to go. Got everything hooked up. And so they got a plug here for your pedal, but I'm running a Bluetooth pedal. So it's wireless. I've already got it hooked up. It's pretty simple. I can just go in here into the menu. Network settings. I got the Bluetooth on. And it just says set up Bluetooth device. So this is the op trail that I got with my Magicwave. Fronius had this one custom airbrushed for me. Put this thing through the ringer. I mean, it's basically, it's got a lot of miles on it. Now I'll still use it. I love this thing, it works awesome. But I figured new machine, new hood, right? So had this one airbrushed a while back. Kind of outlaw. It's got the revolvers up top on both sides. The Kill Fab clothing company. And then what's cool is the inside of it was all airbrushed, basically to match. The thing that's right about this one is it's Bluetooth as well. So this is a visor connect, what they call it, and you can match this thing to the machine via Bluetooth, and it will darken before the arc strikes. So, you know, most of them have a sensor on them, basically darkens when it strikes. Problem is they're a little bit delayed and you get a little bit of flash when that happens. Now it's minute, but you still get it. These connect to the machine. The machine knows when the arc's going to strike, and so it darkens the hood slightly before it does. So there's no flash, no arc flash coming through the hood at all. Now to connect this thing, check this out. Got the custom jugs, Fronius bands on this thing. Shout out to Lulu. These things are super comfortable. But anyway, on this thing, all you have to do is turn it on. I don't know how to do that. There we go. So let's see. So I can go up here, set up Bluetooth device. It's already got my pedal in there. It's got the MAC address. And when I turn this on, it should basically recognize this thing. Maybe the battery's dead, so I guess I have to charge it. It sat around for so long. It actually, when I had it painted, it was gone for almost a year, and I've had it back probably almost a year. So anyway, I'm gonna plug it up, I'll charge it, but it's pretty simple. Once you basically turn it on, it's gonna show it, you click it, it asks if you wanna add it, you tell it yes, and then it's added, that simple. When you use it, the machine knows you're using it, same thing with the pedal. It's a pretty trick. This thing will also, you can also set this thing up on Wi-Fi. So I can connect it to the shop Wi-Fi in here, which is this crane, secured. I'll put in a password. You can connect it to the Wi-Fi, and anytime you need to run updates or anything, it's easy. You just run it over Wi-Fi and all up to date. Cool. Ready to go. Let's fire this bad boy up and do some welding. I think one of the things that most people don't realize about Fronius is that they offer this torch here, which I love. It's kind of got a bendable handle, and it's more traditional for like the US market versus what typically comes with a Fronius machine. Got it switched over to a Furic cup, and got a little lap joint here we're gonna play with. Dial up the heat just a little bit. Looks pretty good. It worked awesome. So, machine worked awesome. Nice crisp pop when you strike the arc. Flows really well. Good, nice, clean arc, not wandering around doing funky stuff. I actually think I'm even low on gas. Still turned out perfect. At least the machine did perfect. Now me, on the other hand, I don't know. You can kind of see down here where I guess it's probably sufficient down there. I just feel like I need a little more heat, a little more filler. Now I'm working with really small filler. I actually ran out of my thicker filler, but you can see I started kind of slowing down over here and started cooking the metal just a little bit. But all in all, there you go. Such a great machine. These things are awesome. It's basically just like the Magicwave. This is just the newest version, the iWave. And I think they got like a whole line of iWaves. So this is the TIG only. I think they have a multi-process. It's also an iWave. Anyway, y'all go check it out. I'll put you a link in the description. You can go to the Fronius website and kind of see what they offer. Check these bad boys out. As always, thank you for joining me. I'll see you guys soon. COVID Coop, Bibster, more videos coming soon.